Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today let us see how to do radish sambar. For that, chop the radish in the circular pattern. See the thickness. See here. Then chop some onions and put it in a pressure cooker. And some washed tur dal. I have added 2 cups of water and little turmeric and a spoon of oil. Keep it in a pressure cooker. Let it whistle 4 to 5 times. Here I have soaked the tamarind. I have taken a lemon size, adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. Now some mustard seeds, pinch of asafoetida, pour the dal. Now adding tamarind juice and a spoon of jaggery. Rock salt as per taste. Add 2 spoons of sambar powder. Now let's add coriander leaf. Let's serve into the bowl. See, the spicy radish sambar is ready to serve. If you want to see more sambar recipes, please check the link in my description box. Now let's move on to the pot. As we have seen in our last video, we had planted garlic. You can see how it has grown. Bye.